Welcome to part 10 of the .NET movie series. Today, we will explore how to use native device features like the camera, GPS, battery info, and more, all from your .NET movie app. .NET Movie provides unfilled access to platform-specific hardware and sensors through standard APIs, making mobile hardware programming easy. Most features are available via Movie Essentials, which is already part of new movie templates. Just don't forget platform specific permissions. Use Media Picker to capture a photo from the device camera. This works on both Android and iOS. After taking a photo, you can load the result into an image control by converting the stream to an image source. For camera access, you must declare permissions for Android and iOS. Otherwise, the camera feature will not work. Use the geolocation API to get the current latitude and longitude of the device. This is useful for location-based apps. Display the current GPS coordinates directly in your app. It is real-time and accurate on supported devices. Just like with the camera, GPS also needs explicit permission declarations for each platform. Movie makes it easy to get battery level and state, great for building energy efficient apps or alerting low battery. You can control the flashlight directly. This works well for emergency apps or barcode scanners. Use the Permissions API to ask for permission at runtime, improving UX and preventing app crashes. Let us run. We will take a photo, read GPS, toggle the flashlight, and display battery details. Accessing native hardware has never been easier. Movie lets you write once and deploy to multiple platforms confidently. Next, we will use the Movie Maps package to show your real location on an interactive map and add pins dynamically. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and share.